Good morning, I'm Faye Thompson. This morning we're going to do a real easy recipe. It's a 3-bean salad. And you know, I really like this. It's something that you can put in the refrigerator and just go eat snacks out of it, or you can serve it as a side for a dinner. Let's get started then. It's very simple. It's not hard to do, and it will last a long time in the refrigerator. I can't tell you how long, but I'd say 2 or 3 weeks maybe. First of all, we're going to have 3 different kinds of beans. We got a cut green bean, and we've got this wax green bean, and the other one is a kidney bean, and I use a light colored. You can use a dark one if you want to. So we're going to take these beans over and pour them in a colander and drain all of them. I'm going to put them in a bowl and mix the other things with the beans, and then we'll pour the liquids over the top of it. Okay, there's our 3 beans. Now the next we're going to put a large onion. You just chop it. You don't want to chop it fine. Just kind of really less than a bite size. And we're going to have 1 bell pepper and chop it up like you do the onions. And then we're going to have it calls for a pimento chopped up, and I use a chopped pimento, so I kind of guessed at it. And these are pimentos, though. And I love this stuff, you know. Okay, we're going to set this aside. We're going to mix up the mix that goes on top of this salad. So first of all, we have sugar, and there's 1 cup of sugar. 1/2 cup of vinegar. And I just use the apple cider vinegar. 1/2 cup of Wesson oil. You could use any kind of salad oil you want to use, I guess. We have 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 of a teaspoon of black pepper. We're just going to mix this up. Now this needs to sit in the refrigerator. Oh, I'd leave it several hours before I served it or ate it. And it's better if you let it sit overnight, but a lot of times I'll eat it within 4 hours after I cook it. Now, that's all there is to that. We're just going to let that sit in there, and you put it in the refrigerator, and it'll be there for a long time. If you don't eat it all, I think you're going to like this. So, now, you might want to use a smaller jar than this. That's just one I had handy, so up in the attic. You do have to keep it refrigerated, but it's great. I use it as a snack. Sometimes I go in and just in the middle of the day, and I'll just get me a little out and eat it. I hope you try this, and I hope you enjoy as much as I have. And I'll see you on another family video. Thank you for watching.